What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, always in booth, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. I'm over at LC3 Performance, as you can see. In my background, as you can see, the GT500 is back on the lift, but nothing major, nothing serious, guys. I just wanted to come over here to have Lewis look at the rear diff fluid. The original plan was for us to just change the fluid and dump the fluid, see how dirty it is. I've never changed the fluid since I owned the car, since 2010, so this is original fluid in there, as you can see. But Lewis also suggested that instead of just changing the diff fluid, we should change the factory diff cover. So he suggested me to go with the 2013 to 2014 GT500 diff cover, which on their cover, there's two good reasons why. One, it's easier to drain and refill the fluid, as you can see. Let me get this hose out of here, sorry. It's easy to redrain the fluid, as you can see, and it has fins on it, so it should help a little bit with cooling. So we ordered this from Ford Performance. Got Lou over here, you know what I mean? We're working on the car as always. We decided to go with the lube locker gasket. You know, I didn't want to use that silicone. I didn't want to do it the cheap way, man. I might as well do it right. And we're going with Royal Purple Max Gear Oil 7590. I guess this is what everyone recommended me to try out. But that's about it, man. Nothing major with the car, just some maintenance on it. You know, I just never changed the diff fluid. Hopefully we can get a good video to see how dirty the fluid is. Maybe, you know, check the gears out. Hopefully everything is good. But that's it, man. You know, LC3, always working on the car. Lou's always serious, never smile. You know, but hey, seriousness is good. You know what I mean? Take the time with the wit. You know, he always got some crazy stuff going on in the shop. Look at this. Let's take a look, man. Got a Pro Charge vet on here working on it. Chris, what's up, baby? Get in the camera. Yeah, working on this Pro Charge vet. You know, and look, check it out, guys. Look what Lewis has. Brand new dyno jet. So now we all can come over here and get our cars tuned, see how much power we make. You know, I don't have to drive far to get the car tuned. I could do an easy remote tune because Lewis is very close by to me, 30 minutes. So I normally go to a dyno in Delaware. But yeah, man, so I'll get you another video on the Smurf. Get a good clip of the, see how dirty the oil is. And that's about it, man. That's all we're gonna do for now. So, just getting it ready for little by little, man. These things, guys, you know, takes time. I don't have all the money in the world, so, you know, I just take time as I get money to come. I do a little bit of stuff in the car. That's it, man. So, definitely looks way better than our ugly factory diff cover. So much better. Look at that thing. Rusty. Got some sweat, but that's normal. That's normal. Get your LC3 Performance t-shirts. I put all that down in the link below. I also put all this stuff that I ordered in the link in the description below. And I'm gonna let Lewis get back to work. And I'll try to get a clip of how dirty the oil is, which is, I guess he's taking the bolts out now, so I'll keep the film rolling, baby. We get a good angle. See how dirty this fluid is. Again, like I said, never changed the oil. Never, since I owned the car, brand new. So this is about 10 years worth of oil, a lot of beatings, a lot of burnouts, a lot of dyno pulls, a lot of track runs, good and bad, blown clutches. So pretty eager to see how dirty the fluid is. Man, that is so ugly. It's crazy, man, on the older GT500s, how we got this ugly diff cover that really does nothing. And the newer 2013s, 2014s come with this nice aluminum cover, billet aluminum cover. So we're hoping to see a nice difference with this. So at least it looks better under the car. And like I said, we in the long run, later down the road, if I decide to also, I could put like a diff cooler, which I think the 2013s and 2014s also come with, as a diff cooler for the rear. So we already have what we need here. 2 different holes for that already there. So.
Splatter a little bit. You usually leave the top bolt in loose. I usually leave one bolt on the side so I can crack it loose. Like the bead that's on there to seal it.
Yeah.
Leave the top one on and it doesn't splatter all over your face.
See that, man? Good. That's good. So a rookie like myself would have had all this diff fluid all over the floor everywhere.
Make sure you let them know you gotta take that bar off to work comfortably.
Yeah. So what Lewis suggested also to take the diff cover off easily, we removed the panhard bar that went across. So it didn't look like it was gonna be able to come off that easy. So it's nice and clear. Lewis, how you think the gears are? The gears look good?
I'm gonna check it right now.
So we have Lewis over here, he's just inspecting the gears.
Look good.
Nice. That's a good thing.
The whale marks look right on the money.
Nice. We'll say that looks good. Alright guys, Lewis is installing the gasket with the diff cover. So much better. What'd you say, Lewis? Definitely looks better? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So you can service it more often too.
Definitely. Looks so much better.
We also changing the bolts, putting some stainless ones on there.
Lewis also got some new bolts.
The factory ones.
Let me get closer.
These are stainless.
Yep.
They also weren't long enough, so we had to get a little longer.
See that, man? Instructions said OEM parts. It's all good, man. Luckily, Lewis had a local parts guy down the street that sells bolts.
Yeah, we keep some in stock, but I'm not gonna deplete the inventory. 10 bolts, might just go get them from the supplier.
Yeah. And the stainless look way better, man, than those rusty factory ones. I would say. Definitely. Hell yeah. Get another side of a look. Alright, guys. I'm gonna let Lewis finish, folks, and I'll show you the completed work when he's done. Alright, guys, so Lewis finished the cover. Let's check it out. Tell me what you think. I wish I should have took another video without the panhard bar, but everything is done now. Came out good, man. Looks so much better. So much better than factory. And you know, and it's gonna help out with cooling too with these fins, man. Definitely. So if you guys got any questions about this cover, if you want to order the same cover, I'll put everything in the description below. But Lewis did a good job. Panhard bar is back on. We also did the bolts like he said in the video, but looks much nicer than those other factory rusted bolts. Stainless with crush washer, lock washer. So, all right, man. Tell me what you think, guys. I think it looks great. So, we're done. Thanks for the video, man. Try to do the best I can to get as much content as I can on anything I'm doing to the car. So if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.